Dear students, this is exercise A of worksheet 3, page number 33. This was given to you the last day. Today I am going to explain you how to do it. First of all, we will read the instructions. Match the nouns in column A with the nouns of opposite gender in column B. So here is column A and this is column B. Let us see the words that are there in column A. Lion, emperor, bull, headmaster, waiter, monk, son, gentleman, bride and nephew. Now let us see what we are having in column B. Nun, bridegroom, niece, lady, daughter, lioness, empress, head mistress, cow, waitress. Now what we have to do? We have to match this column with this one. They are the opposite of these. Can you see that I have given numbers here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But this side I have put the alphabets in order. So which is the first one? Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. What is the opposite gender of lion? We all know this, it is lioness. So we have to search that word here. Here we have the lioness. Now what we will do? We will draw lines. No students, we will not draw lines. Why? Because it looks very untidy when we draw lines. So then what we will do? We will do number matching. How? Like we have 1 here. This 1 we will write beside lioness like this. What is the opposite gender of emperor? It's empress, that is here. So the number is 2. We will write 2 beside empress. Bull, opposite of bull is cow. Opposite gender of bull is cow. So here we have cow here. Next we have 4, that is headmaster. The opposite gender is headmistress. It's 4. We have headmistress here. So we are going to write 4. Waiter. The opposite gender of waiter is waitress. The last one of column B. So we will put number 5 here like this. Number 6 is monk. The opposite gender of monk is nun. Where it is? It's here. So this is number 6. So I am going to put number 6 here. Come to number 7. This is very easy. S-O-N, son, and the opposite gender of son is daughter. Here is that word daughter. Son, daughter. So 7 we will write here. Gentleman. The opposite gender is lady. 8. So I will write 8 beside lady. Number 9. Bride. The opposite gender of bride is bridegroom. So this is number 9. Here we are going to write number 9. Number 10, the last one. Nephew. The opposite gender of nephew is niece. So this is number 10. So here I am going to write number 10 beside niece. So this is how you are going to match. Whenever we ask you to match the columns, you will always use numbers to match the column and you will never draw lines because it looks very untidy, very clumsy. Okay children? So now I will proceed with the next exercise. Dear students, now this is worksheet 3, page number 33, exercise B. I have already discussed this type of exercise in my previous video, but still I will repeat it once again so that you can do it properly and check your answers. Rewrite the sentences replacing the underlined nouns with their opposite gender. It's just the same. Number 1, my aunt is a teacher. So you have to rewrite the sentence. That means you have to write the full sentence again. But you have to change these underlined words with their opposite gender. So what is the opposite gender of aunt? The opposite gender of aunt is uncle. So now we can write my uncle is a teacher. Number 2, the prince is sitting under a tree. Which one we will change? We will change prince. We will change this into princess. So now it will become the princess is sitting under a tree. Now let's come to number 3. My husband helped an old woman. 2 words we have to change. My husband will now become my wife. Helped an old, in place of woman we will now write man. Now number 4, that boy is my brother. In this sentence also we are having 2 words which needs to be changed. So we will write that, the opposite of boy is girl. That girl is my, what is the opposite gender of brother? It is sister. So we have finished. Now check your answers, okay, and hope that you wrote all this in your school copy. Have a nice day, dear students.